This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which Xbox 360 controller you have and making the simplest fixes first. If it's wired, unplug and try a different USB port. If wireless, ensure the receiver is plugged directly into the PC and batteries are fresh. Once done, open Device Manager and watch for changes as you connect the controller so you can spot driver errors. Make sure Windows recognizes the device before moving to driver installation or pairing steps. This saves time and pinpoints the issue. Now focus on drivers and pairing because most problems lie here. Download or allow Windows Update to install the official Xbox 360 drivers. For wireless controllers, install the wireless receiver driver and use the receiver's sync button to pair. If Device Manager shows errors, right-click the device to update, roll back, or uninstall, then reconnect so Windows reinstalls cleanly. Remove any duplicate or unknown HID/USB entries. Conflicting drivers can block input. Make sure you run driver installs as administrator to avoid permission failures. Finish by verifying functionality in devices and printers under game controllers, and run calibration if axes feel off. If games don't detect the pad but Windows does, use a trusted wrapper like X360C sparingly, only after confirming drivers and pairing. If the controller still fails, reboot Windows, repair the wireless unit, test on another PC or with a different receiver or swap batteries. These eliminate hardware faults. Key troubleshooting tip. If Device Manager never shows the controller, focus on USB/receiver hardware or reinstall Windows USB controllers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.